Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with a really versatile case from ESR for the 2024 iPad Pro 11-inch. This is their Rebound 360 hybrid case, and it allows you to put your iPad Pro in a whole bunch of different positions. You can have landscape stand positions and portrait stand positions, stand behind the case, stand in front of the case, and a variety of different angles. This, of course, can also be used just with your iPad by itself in the removable inner case, and of course, you've also got folio protection for your screen and a spot for Apple Pencil. Really cool case here. Let's take a closer look. Looking at the construction of the Hybrid 360 case, this is a slim and lightweight case. The material has a nice feel underneath the fingertips. You have a very secure magnetic latch on here, which holds the folio cover closed and also gives you secure storage for your Apple Pencil. And then opening this up, you can see that we have a removable inner case. This is attached via magnets. It is lightweight and flexible. You have a crystal clear back to it. This is not a drop-rated case. It's not going to give you super strong protection, but should be good against basic scratches and bumps. And then you've got more of a tacky material on the interior, which is going to help this in stand mode for the inner case to be able to be positioned securely. Overall, I think everything is nicely made here. You got good magnets, and this is not going to be too huge and heavy on your new iPad. Putting your iPad Pro into the inner case is not difficult. I usually start in the corner with the camera and put that one in place, and then go around and then clip on the other corners. The material on the sides is a flexible TPU, and it goes on pretty easily. Note that I have the Armorite screen protector on here. ESR's Armorite screen protector is a good fit with this case. I think everything looks good there. In terms of lip, we do have some lip on here, even with this tempered glass screen protector. And obviously, if we didn't have that on there, you'd have even more lip. You have a nice fit here on some areas and a little looser on others. So it's very nice and tight along here, but over your port openings, for example, this TPU material is kind of thin, so it flexes quite a bit. So I'm not crazy about that. Same thing is also true in the area where your Apple Pencil is going to go. That area flexes a good amount, but other areas don't. So it just depends, I think, upon how much material you have there. This is a slim case on a slim device, and so I do think there's some material constraints on here. So the buttons are nice and responsive. They're all covered. You have a little bit of protection here in the corners. This is a light-duty case. This is not drop-rated, but it seems like it should be decently protective for your iPad against small bumps and scratches. Looking at the back of the case, this crystal clear material does a wonderful job in showing off the beauty of your iPad Pro, so that's great. However, this type of material does show fingerprints very easily and is also prone to scratching. Hopefully it's not going to turn yellow. I really can't tell whether it's the type of material that's going to turn yellow or not, but it's definitely going to scratch and show fingerprints. However, one nice thing about scratching is that the clear bit is recessed, and so this purple bit is going to stick out more. So when you put this on its back, then you are not actually going to be touching the clear bit because you're going to be touching this colored TPU. So that's going to help reduce scratching over time. And as far as protection here for your rear camera, I think everything is nicely protected. You shouldn't have any issues. Attaching the inner case to the outer case is very easy. You've got nice strong magnets here. And once attached, it's also very easy to put this into stand mode. So when you do that, what you want to do is detach the bottom magnets here from the inner case from the outer case so that this part is free, but the part up at the top is still attached. And then you're going to want to position the iPad in between these two lines. That's going to be your most stable positions. This material here is kind of grippy, kind of tacky feeling almost, so it is nice secure material for the bottom of the inner case to be resting against, so it's not going to slip. So you're going to do like that. You can also position it at different angles as well. Everything works well. This is going to be great on a tabletop. Where it's not going to be so great is on a soft surface like a lap, or particularly if you're lying in bed, watching a movie, reading a book on this. That's not going to work so well just because you have a flexible bottom for this stand. The same is going to be true if you put this in the alternate position for landscape, which is using a triangular stand around the back. So this is a great little stand. It's just got the one angle, but it's very secure. Everything works well, but it doesn't work so great if you are using it on your lap, just because on a soft surface, it's just not going to be as stable. Same thing is true in bed. But other than that, works really well. So you can also put this into a typing position here with your triangular thingy on the bottom. So that is nice and secure, works really well. Positioning this in stand mode in portrait is going to be a bit trickier than in landscape. So you're going to need to place your inner case in between these two lines. If it's not in between the two lines, it's not going to be properly secure. And then you're going to detach the bottom section here while keeping that top section attached magnetically. And then you're going to place the bottom bit here in between these two lines. And it's particularly important to not go too far forward here, or the bottom bit is going to start to slip. So as long as you stay in between the lines, you're going to be in good shape. But if you do this, it's going to start slipping, so that's not going to work so well. But other than that, works well. And then you can also use this stand here in the back. Nice and secure, but again, just the one angle when you have it positioned this way. And then of course, if you're using this in folio case mode, you've got good protection for your screen and a nice slim profile. This obviously supports auto sleep wake, so that's great. You're going to be able to put your Apple Pencil to charge up here at the top, and it's also going to have secure storage here underneath this magnetic flap. I like the fact that you can see this flash of white over here. So that's going to be a good indication that the pencil is properly in place under there. So you're going to know whether you have the pencil or not. So if you look at it like this, oh no, my pencil's not there. And versus you can see it clearly that the pencil is in place here. So overall, really nice product here from ESR. I do wish that this was a little bit better if you're using it on a soft surface like a lap or in bed. But other than that, I think that the stand works really well. And this is going to be available directly from ESR as well as from Amazon. It's available in a total of 6 colors. You have this lovely lavender here, as well as a pink, a gray, a white, a black, and a blue version. On ESR's website, it's priced a little higher right now, in between $36.99 and $40.99. And on Amazon, you can get it for $29.99, but only the black version is currently available. Hopefully more colors will be available soon. Many thanks to the kind folks at ESR for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about this or anything else, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And do consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.